Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'll be making some Jiffy cornbread muffins in my Holstein Housewares cupcake maker. This will be my first time using this big one. This is the 12 cup. I had the 6 one, I sent it back and got the bigger one. So, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. In the meanwhile, I got some soup cooking on the other side of the kitchen. I decided to make a whole new video. Sometimes my videos can be kind of long. I need to get my liquid. Hold up. Put the egg in there first. See a shell. Don't want no shell. I should have cracked it on the counter, then I wouldn't have got a shell. Let me go get the liquid. Put some chicken broth in it instead of milk. Beat the egg up. Just eyeball it. You don't have to measure everything. Okay. I didn't preheat this cupcake maker. Okay, the red light is always on. It's actually orange. It's always on. And then when this is ready to put your stuff in there, the green light pops on. And the green light comes on and off. Yeah, I feel it heating up already. I did clean it. I need a cup or a scoop. I don't want to mess up no more dishes. I'm going to put this in here now and just let it cook. Try not to get in y'all's way. I think that's too much. And in this, you don't have to cook 12 just because it got 12 places for it. You can cook 1, 2, or up to 12. So this is going to do 6. This little bitty one. Come on now. Could have got my rubber spatula. I'm just going to leave the slop there and see how easy it is to clean up. I'm going to close it. And there's a little locking mechanism on this handle. I don't know why it's needed. Okay, I will be back, y'all. And the green light, oh, it is on. Green light is on. Wow. And it's supposed to take about 8 minutes, so I'm going to time it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. These muffins have been cooking for exactly 8 minutes. Okay. First time using it. Ouch. The steam coming out of there is hot. Wow. You need your oven mitts. Okay. Let me see. Oh, that's that drip that was on there. I hope they come out. Uh-oh. Let's see. Well, this is supposed to be a non-stick finish, so I take them at their word. They're stuck. So y'all seeing it just like I'm seeing it. Yeah, it's stuck. Guess I better unplug it. And I could have used my cupcake papers. Okay, well, they still taste the same whether they're a whole cupcake or not. So make sure you spray some oil in your cupcake maker, even though it's got a non-stick finish. Yeah, they tore up, yeah, tore up from the floor. So I ain't trying to hide nothing, but they did cook. I'm gonna put these in here. I'll go off camera and I'll put them in there. Here's my dish. And I may or may not put hot sauce in. I'm going to taste it first. I like the extra Frank's Red Hot Extra Hot sauce. So I'll see if I need it. Okay, these are my muffins with the torn up bottoms. But they taste the same. Next time I'll either use the cupcake liners or I'll grease it. Okay. I'm going to show y'all the cleanup I'm going to have to do. See that? Yeah, it needs some greasing, even though it says non-stick. That was not non-stick. But I'm still pretty satisfied. It only took 8 minutes, and it would have taken longer than that to warm up any of my ovens. So, ouch. And the little ones that didn't touch the top of the muffin pan, they didn't get brown. But the ones that I filled up like I should have, they got brown. Okay. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Next time I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls in that. Y'all be blessed. Bye.